Sometimes you may want to see sensitive contents in X account. What this sensitive contents means is that it may contain violence, it may contain bold scenes or some sex scenes. If you want this sensitive contents, it's better to make some changes in your profile. In this video, we'll be telling about that. For this, open X application. After that, above you can see your profile photo. Click on this profile photo. When you're clicking on that, you can see settings and support option. Click on settings and support. In settings and support, you can see settings and privacy. Click on this button. When you're clicking on that, you can see privacy and safety. Click on this button. When you're clicking on that, you can see one option, content you see. Click on this button. When you're clicking on that, here you can see some options. First, you can see display media that may contain sensitive content. By default, sometimes it will be turned off. If you want to see sensitive content, what you need to do is you need to turn this on. After that, you can see sensitive contents. And one more settings you should change. Here you can see search settings option. Click on search settings. When you are clicking on that, here you can see hide sensitive content. By default, it will be turned on. If you want to see more sensitive content, what you need to do is you need to turn this off. After that, sensitive contents will appear in your search also. So if you want to see more sensitive contents, you can change these settings. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.